AI agents can really help you boost your productivity with brainstorming to idea generation to building your content for any of the platforms. In this particular case, we're going to look at three different examples. One flow is going to help you generate your post for Instagram, the second one for Twitter, and third one is going to help you with the SEO keywords for your website. So if we were to look at the available templates in Langflow, you'll notice that in the content generation section, you have a few different flows. And then if you were to look around in assistants and agents, you'll find many different examples. So we're going to look at the two available here in the content generation. And also we're going to look at one of the assistant, which is the SEO Keyword Generator. So the Instagram copywriter is basically an agent and pipeline where you are going to provide a topic. And first thing that happens is the topic is used by the agent to perform a search. And this search is using Tavili AI search, where we can get the latest and the most relevant result about the topic. Now we can pass that topic over together with a prompt to one of the LLMs. In this case, we're going to use OpenAI. And the prompt in this case is quite simple, as you see. The key is to get the search results. And that is something we can look at in the response of the agent, where the text will provide more information. So here we have information about Langflow, and this is the topic that I provided. And once we go through the next steps, we'll see that the first prompt combined with the results from the OpenAI together with another prompt which provides more details about the post that we're trying to generate. This is for Instagram, and there is a particular format. So we give a few examples and then we send that over to OpenAI. And based on the instruction that we provided, we're going to get a text for the post as well a prompt that is going to be used for the image generation model. So if we were to look at a playground, we're going to see that we have the text-based post as well as prompt for any image generation model. So of course, if you like, you could attach another model here, and this could be the image generation model, be it OpenAI or any of the providers out there, and that can help generate the image for the post as well. Now, second template we're going to look at is the Twitter thread generator. And same thing, we're going to provide a topic. And then based on the topic, we are providing a few different guidelines. So I would highly recommend for you to go through each of those. And once you run the flow, you'll notice that we have a thread that we can post to Twitter. Now, the question was to talk about the Langflow project. So we get a thread about that. We can ask for any of the topics, or if you like, you could attach this to any of the search agents like Tavili AI, and you can get the most relevant and recent results and generate a tweet thread about that as well. Third is SEO Keyword Generator. And the common theme that you'll notice here is based on your prompt and based on the guidelines that you're going to provide, you can pretty much ask these LLM models to generate content or to help you out with any of the tasks that takes time. So in this case, we have a prompt, and this block has different guidelines for our model. So we can look through the template as what is the product, pain point, goals, so anything that we want to describe about the product. And then we have details about that. So the current solution, what we're looking at. And if you go through each of these text blocks, you'll see that there is some information that's going to help our LLM to generate the response. So along with that, we're going to provide a prompt. And this prompt is quite detailed, as you see. It talks about what we're looking, the format, and what we expect for it to provide us as a response. And once we run the flow, we'll get a response, which is going to be something along this line, where we have the keyword of the topic that we provided. And you notice that it's different variations, so it's not exactly same. So it helps you out with many different keywords. And if you like, you could also attach a tool that could make an API call to any of the platform, which also helps with the SEO related keywords. So you can strengthen your results that you get at the end, along with the basic flow that's available here. So these were three of the many examples available. I would highly recommend for you to give it a try and check out all of the templates available. And many of these could help you with your daily work.